Lithium battery recycling processing line is a kind of equipment production line used for recycling, processing and resource reuse of waste lithium batteries. This video can see the common components and process flow of lithium battery recycling processing. The waste lithium batteries are first preliminarily shredded, and the batteries are torn into smaller pieces for subsequent crushing. The cutter and structure design of the shredder can effectively crush the battery shell, core and other parts of the initial crushing, to improve the efficiency of the subsequent processing. On the basis of shredding, the batteries are further crushed to completely break up the positive and negative electrode pieces, diaphragm paper and other parts inside the batteries, making them into finer granular materials. The crusher usually adopts hammering type to ensure the crushing effect. In the constituent parts of lithium battery, there may be some metal parts or impurities containing iron, which can be effectively removed by magnetic separator for subsequent recovery of other valuable metals. According to the density and weight difference of the materials, different materials are sorted by the sorting machine. For example, lighter diaphragm paper, plastics and other non-metallic materials can be separated from heavier metal particles such as copper and aluminum. After completing the preliminary simple separation process, the acquired materials are subjected to a deep purification process. You can use the leach solution synthesis electrode material method, precipitation method or organic extraction method, etc., to further separate and purify the cobalt, lithium and other valuable metals, improve the purity of the metal and the recovery value. In short, lithium battery recycling powdering equipment is an important equipment to promote the development of lithium battery recycling industry. It not only helps to solve the environmental problems caused by waste lithium batteries, but also opens up a new way for the sustainable use of resources.